How we doing, guys? Today I'm unboxing the brand new Sony Xperia 1 3, or I like to call it the 13. Now I am currently recording on the old Xperia 1. So I literally ordered it yesterday. I can only get it in the black because my current Sony Xperia 1 is in purple. So there's the phone. It's very similar to the original one which I own. Okay, so we've got documents here, startup guide. What's under here should be the charge cable. It's got a new plug. Apparently it comes with a fast charger, and it's got the micro USB. There's a 30-watt charger, so it's actually a lot faster than the new what we got, the Apple 12, iPhone 12. That comes with a, well, you have to buy a 20-watt charger. And obviously that's the Type-C cable, so it does come with a charge cable. So it is in there, so you do get one, but you don't get any headphones, which is quite surprising because you got some in the last one.